Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Windows 11 privacy settings with Microsoft Defender, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, first ensure your Windows 11 is up to date. Click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the Start menu, select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings window, navigate to the Privacy and Security section on the left panel. Click on the Privacy option under the Privacy and Security section. Here, you'll find various settings related to your privacy. Begin with the Activity History section. You can toggle off the option to let Windows collect your activity data. This will prevent your device from tracking your activities across devices. Next, scroll down to the App Permissions section. Here, you can manage permissions for apps like camera, microphone, and location. Review each category and toggle off permissions for any apps that don't need access. Now, return to the Privacy and Security section. Click on the Security option to access Microsoft Defender settings. In the Microsoft Defender window, navigate to the Virus and Threat Protection settings. Here, ensure real-time protection is turned on for maximum security. You can also enable cloud-delivered protection for enhanced scanning capabilities. Next, scroll to the Privacy options in Microsoft Defender. Ensure that the options for enhanced notifications and privacy data sharing are set according to your preferences. Now, go back to the Privacy and Security section. Click on the Diagnostic and Feedback option to adjust data collection levels. Select the minimal or required option to limit data sent to Microsoft. Consider turning off tailored experiences to further enhance your privacy. Now, let's adjust your ad personalization settings. Navigate to the Ad settings under the Privacy section. Here, disable the option that allows Microsoft to use your data for personalized ads. Finally, review any installed applications and uninstall those that you do not recognize or use. Your Windows 11 privacy settings are now more secure with Microsoft Defender in place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.